Okay, so I'm going to start the bacon jam. So if you want to look over here, I've got 1 pound of hickory smoked thick cut bacon. I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to just chop this into smaller pieces, jam size pieces. I've got some bacon up. We'll see if I need to use that wood-fired blend. This is what I use to season the cream cheese. It's already on the smoker.
Ooh,
I use that. I've got my balsamic vinegar, my 1 cup of compacted brown sugar, my maple syrup. I've got 1 diced sweet onion, 1 finely diced jalapeno, no seeds, and about 3 cloves of garlic, finely diced. So we're going to start with our bacon in our cast iron. And then when it's done, I'm just going to go ahead and throw the onions and peppers and garlic in on that bacon grease. And then as it's cooking, while he's doing the crab, we'll get some shots of putting in the balsamic, the maple, brown sugar, and seasonings. All right? It's pretty simple. You really can't mess this up.
right, so it's time to take our cheese off. Oh, it's sprinkling. Oh, that looks pretty good.
That looks good. That doesn't sound good. I got fire trucks and fire alarms going off.
And then,
All right, taste test, babe.
all right, I want to get some. Is that cream in here?
It's cream cheese.
Cream cheese, excuse me. Oh yeah, there you go. There we go. Oh, got that back.
You need another cracker? You need another cracker.
Wow. So that might be a new favorite.
Uh-huh.
No, that is a new favorite. That is really, really good. With the smoked cream cheese and all the bacon and the sweetness. Oh my gosh. That is a hit. What's that called again?
That is a jalapeno bacon jam over smoked cream cheese.
Woo! Don't get better than that. I'm telling you. Wow.